Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm doing part 2 of the Saviland Builder Gel Kit. I'm just going over what is actually in this kit. I do have this portion in the other video that I will have linked at the top just in case you guys want to go check that out for the other colors, but these are the other 6. The box comes with brushes and forms, and in total these are all of the colors that are in the kit itself. But yeah, one thing I would say in my own opinion about these gels is that they do level out really well, very nicely, but if you're not going to like turn your hand upside down to let it like level, they will like pull to the sides. But if you're a master at builder gel application, then this will not be a problem for you. But for the girlies that do have some problems with this, I'd say if you're gonna do 2 coats on your actual nails, I would say like cure it once, like when you finally get it to like the consistency that you'd like, and then do like a second coat, or like a quick nice second coat after, and then cure your whole hand. But that's just my opinion. But you know, we're learning here. This is a learning environment. This is a safe space. There is no meaning to my madness. I don't know what I'm doing 99% of the time, but I'm experimenting, and I'm not scared to make mistakes, and I'm not scared to keep trying and doing new things. So hopefully that's something you guys can take from being on my channel, watching my stuff. But anywho, this video is not that long, but I will catch you guys at the end. And yeah, don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment. Alright guys, I hope you like these remaining 6 colors. Let me know if this kit is something that you're into, and I will catch y'all in the next video. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment. Support your girl. Alright guys, bye.